Are you still scared? Stop being afraid now. AI will not take your job from you. You will not lose anything because you're using AI. AI is just a tool that you are in control of, that you need to tell what to do. AI will make you work smarter. Start learning how to use AI tool. Make dey bite. It will not bite you. Just start learning how to use AI tool to be able to make your work seamless. For you to enjoy how to use any AI tool, you just need to know how to prompt it to give you accurate results. Yes, it follows your instructions. So why are you scared of it? What is waiting for you to tell it what to do is what you're scared of. Abana, stop am. No fit you. I want to encourage you today. I want to encourage you today. Go to different social media platforms like YouTube, Google, Telegram, and start learning how to utilize AI tools. Yes, no dey fear. No dey fear. If you like this kind of video, like, share, and comment it to get to more people.